How to log in to Open University BD account. So if you want to log into Open University BD account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Open University BD login. And once you've searched, here you will have Open University of Bangladesh. So if you want to log into that, then you can simply go for user login, which is on the second search. Click on that and it will take you to the login page. So if you don't understand this language, then you can go for translate and you can translate your language to English. And once you translate now, here on the first blank, you need to enter your user ID or your EMIS ID on the first blank. So enter your ID, and once you enter your ID, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can simply go for forgot password, which is here on the bottom right, so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then enter it, and once you enter your user ID and your password, you need to click on go ahead. It will log you into your account if your information is correct. So that's it. That's how you log into your Open University BD account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.